Hello everyone, welcome back to Nova channel. And today, let's explore a new lesson with Nova. Trading with trend lines. In the fast-paced world of trading, trend lines are one of the simplest yet most powerful technical tools every trader should know how to use. While they may not look as flashy as some modern indicators, trend lines offer clear views of price behavior and market structure. In this video, let's break down how to draw trend lines properly, set up high probability trades, and share some key tips to boost your success. Let's get started. First, you need to know what is a trend line. A trend line is a line that connects significant highs and lows on the chart, helping traders identify the main trend, up or down, dynamic support or resistance zones, potential entry or exit points for trades. There are two basic types of trend lines. Uptrend line, which means connects higher lows, showing a bullish trend. Downtrend lines, which is connects lower highs, indicating a bearish trend. And especially, the more times price touches a trend line and respects it, the stronger it becomes. And now I will instruct you how to draw trend lines correctly. When drawing trend lines, avoid forcing the lines to fit your bias. Instead, look for clean, obvious swing highs or lows and connect at least two valid points. And keep in mind, trend lines don't need to be perfectly accurate to the pip. Treat them as zone, not fixed price levels. Higher time frames like 4-hour or daily time frame often give more reliable trend lines and compared to lower ones like 15-minute or 5-minute time frame. And especially if you choose to connect the body or wick is not important. The most important is more times price touches the trend line and respects it, the stronger it becomes, which I already mentioned previously. How to trade with trend lines? Once you have identified a valid trend line, there are two main ways to trade. First, trading with a trend, one uptrend line. Wait for a price to pull back to the trend line, and then look for bullish confirmations like bean bar or engulfing candles, and go long. For a downtrend line, wait for the price to retest the trend line from below, and look for bearish confirmation, and go short. Stop loss? Set it slightly beyond the trend line. Take profit? Use nearby resistance or support zone, or set a good risk-reward ratio. And next, trading the breakout. When the price breaks a trend line decisively, you can trade in the direction of a breakout. But be careful. Always wait for confirmation, like a strong candle close beyond the trend line or a successful retest. And you need to avoid jumping in on the first break. False breakouts are common, so we always be alert for the false breakouts. And finally, the zero test for you when trading trend lines. First, trend lines are not magical walls. Price can pierce them slightly before reacting. Never draw what you want to see. Let the market speak to you. Next, always wait for the price action confirmation before entering a trade. And combine trend lines with other tools like moving average, RSI, or Fibonacci for stronger setup. And finally, risk management is everything. No setup is ever 100% certain. And this is the example for you by using trend line to trade. Trading with trend lines might seem simple, but when done right, it can be incredibly effective. Learn to draw them properly, be patient for clean setups, and most importantly, protect your capital. Have you had a winning trade thanks to a trend line, or maybe got stopped out because of fall breakout? Share your experience in the comments. And Nova also used it mostly for my trading analysis. And if you have the same point of view with me about technical analysis, welcome to my VIP Signal group to maximize your profits and minimize risk. And you also click to the link that I put in the description box. The free community on Telegram channel is waiting for you. Happy trading! See you in the next video.